Hello, today we will guide you through how to format messages in Slack. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to make your messages clearer and easier to scan by applying simple formatting right inside the message composer. We'll move step by step, keeping things practical so you can follow along in any channel you use. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the channel where you want to post. Use the sidebar to pick the right channel so your message reaches the intended audience. Once you're in the channel, click into the message field at the bottom of the screen. Type a sample message, something short but representative of what you usually send, like a quick update or short list of points. As you type, the formatting toolbar should be visible beneath the composer. If you don't see it, click once inside the message field and it should appear. Next, select the part of your text you want to style. You can click and drag across a word or sentence or double-click a word to highlight it quickly. Selecting only the text you want to change keeps your message readable and avoids over-formatting. With your text highlighted, click the bold button on the toolbar. You'll see the selected words become thicker and more prominent. Bold is perfect for headings, deadlines, and key decisions, anything you want to stand out when someone skims the thread. If you change your mind, click bold again to remove it. Formatting is a toggle. Now highlight another portion of your message and click italic. Italics add a gentle emphasis that's great for terms, clarifications, or a brief aside. They're subtle and help convey tone without overpowering the rest of your text. As with bold, clicking the italic button again will revert the text back to normal. Finally, highlight a different segment and click underline. Underlining can help label sections or draw attention to labels and keywords. Use it sparingly so it complements rather than competes with bold and italics. You can combine styles too. For example, a short heading might be bold and underlined, while a note beneath it is italic. As you format, keep an eye on the live preview in the composer. This lets you verify that your emphasis is clear and consistent before you finalize the message. If anything looks crowded, reduce the number of styled elements and keep only what truly needs attention. With these simple tools, bold, italics, and underline, you'll make your Slack updates cleaner, more scannable, and more effective for your team.